Hi guys, you may be aware that asylum in the United States must be filed within 1 year of your entry to the United States. But what to do if you miss that deadline? Can you still qualify for some immigration benefits? Yes, you can, but only if you can convince the immigration court or asylum officer that your case falls under 3 allowed exceptions. 3 exceptions from asylum filing 1 year deadline. If in your country recently happened drastic changes in country conditions, a different rival party came to power, or maybe there was some military overthrow of the government, but not necessarily. It can be something different. For example, the same power that was always ruling your country now is using more drastic, more severe method to suppress opposition. So if that happened in your country, you will be able to have your chance at asylum again, even if you missed your 1 year filing deadline. But you have to act within reasonable time from the change of the country conditions. And by the way, if you filed for asylum previously and lost your asylum, but the country conditions changed in your country, you may have a second chance at your asylum. Remember that. But what if country conditions in your country are still the same? However, you hoped that you will be able to stay in the United States indefinitely, or maybe even getting a green card, but something didn't work out. Maybe you had your F1 status or H1B status for a very long time, or L1 status, but now you understand that your status expired, you cannot go back home to your home country that you're going to be requesting asylum from, and you already missed your 1 year filing deadline. Well, I have good news for you. In this particular situation, when you had lawful non-immigrant status, but it's expired, you still may be able to request successfully asylum if you can show that you acted within reasonable time from the expiration of your legal status, even when your 1 year filing deadline was missed. And finally, the third exception to the 1 year filing for asylum would relate to your personal circumstances. For example, you did not feel well and could not file for your asylum within 1 year because conditions that you were suffering from occurred within 1 year. But later, within reasonable time after you stopped being sick, you managed to file your asylum application. Or perhaps your personal circumstances changed so that now you qualify for asylum when before you didn't. You changed religion or political views. Thank you for watching, and stay on top of your immigration.